kids' fashion is driven by many factors. So there are few factors which are very important to note. One such factor is the disposable income. As per the study, there are about 375 millions of kids who are under age 15. So this clearly indicates what is the volume of sales that we can expect and what is the volume of consumerism that we can expect in kids sector. So this is a very promising sector and there's a huge demand for variety of clothing, accessories and all that. So the enhanced buying power of parents has contributed majorly to this sector, and parents not only in terms of money, it is also in terms of fashion consciousness. So parents are very keen and are clear about what kind of clothes the kid is supposed to wear. So when they are going out for a holiday, so there's a pair of clothes which is meant to be worn there. They go for a trekking, there is a different kind of clothes worn. There's a swimwear, there's a lounge wear, there's a party wear. So variety of clothing is seen. So even if it is a 3 days outing, not less than about 6 to 8 pairs of different variety of clothing a kid will carry along with it. So this is the kind of fashion consciousness that parents have picked up. Another aspect here is about the media part. So the media plays a major role in promoting various kinds of fashion. So it is at the global level that we talk about kids' fashion trends today. So whether it is a baby or a toddler or a preteen or even a teenager for that matter, there's lots of trend that we get to see age group wise. So each age group has become a specific sector when it comes to consumerism. So for each sector, there is a defining role in terms of design, in terms of fabric, the color choice, the styling, the accessories carried, and of course the way these products are promoted to the kids. So most of the time it is these fashion influencers or the celebrities, or for that matter even the catalogs or even the characteristics that we get to see through a role play in terms of cartoon or in terms of a movie that a kid gets to connect itself with it. So these kinds will bring in more and more demand for unique kind of designs and personalized kind of designs in fashion consumerism.